Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. By the way, did you subscribe to our channel? Analytics shows that 23% subscribed and the rest of the members without subscribing watching our channel. Please do support to our channel by subscribing and also by sharing these videos. It's not so easy to prepare so many videos only by me taking a lot of time and energy at this age. Please do support. By the way, we are discussing in the chapters or different topics of the management, principles of management. I gave you in the first two classes introduction class of what is management and also objectives of management, significance of management. So that we have seen in the last classes. Today one of the important topic, levels of management. This is must for everyone, mandatory for every student. Levels of management, it is useful practically, not only examination point of view. You know that management has to manage the organization, everything. Strictly speaking, there are two types of levels only, organization levels and administrative levels. If we follow administrative organization levels to handle the organization, it is very difficult. They can't manage everything. If it is a very small tiny organization, it will work out, but when organization is very big level, then it's difficult. That is why we need to have different types of management levels. Different types of management levels. Management is not just only the top management. There are different levels are there. From different levels we can catch, we can handle, we can organize it, we can have control. So all these things are possible. So that is why 3 levels of management is there. So let me discuss levels of management. Total 3 levels are there. First level is here, top level. So this is level 1. And this is level 2 and level 3. Okay, first level is here, top level management. Top level, they are the highest authority people in the organization. They are having a lot of command over the organization. They take the decisions, they handle the organization, but they are giving some authority to the next level people. Everything they can't manage it. So they are giving some authority, that is delegation of authority to the next level, that is middle level management. Middle level management means generally you will find department managers like production department, finance department, HR department, marketing department, research department, like different departments are there, no? So those heads, those managers, we call them as middle level management. These middle level management also, they cannot go to the root level problems of the organization. So they just handle their department, but they also delegate some of their authority to the next level, that is lower or operating level management. These people are at root level. They are going to handle the basic problems, identifying the problem and what is the solution to be find out. At their level only they will be solving it. If they cannot, then they take the matter into the middle level management. Middle level management, they will handle it. If they cannot, then they can go to the top level management. That is why we say it as organizational hierarchy. Organization hierarchy. You have to follow the hierarchy. Don't come to me directly. Heard these words? You will be hearing when you join in any organization. Top level management, they don't handle any kind of problems which are related to the third level or otherwise employees. They want to hear only from middle management. They'll have connection with this only. And middle level management, they'll be talking only with the third level management, not to the employees. Employees, the workers, other employees, they'll be at this level. Say, this level, you will find employees. Employees cannot reach directly to the top management. They cannot reach even directly to the middle management. Both are not allowed. They can reach to the lower level or organizational level management. So this is hierarchy. hierarchy. Okay, whenever top management also want to address anything, they'll give everything into the whatever instructions, whatever policies wanted to change, they'll tell to the middle management. Middle management will inform to the third level management. Third level management will go to the employees. So this is hierarchy, either up to down or down to up. Any side, hierarchy is to be maintained. Now we'll discuss what is this top level management, middle level management, lower level management in detail. First thing is the top level management. Here is top level management, whom we call as top level management, mainly the board of directors, BOD, board of directors, MD, managing director, president, vice president, VP, and chief executive officer, CEO, we say chief executive officer, a chief financial controller, we can say them as CFO, CEO or CFO. So these people, we call them as top level management. Top level management, they take maximum decisions, they have the control, they are the top management people. What are their functions? Their functions are these: determining objectives, mainly management, organizational objectives, these people are going to decide. Then they'll explain, they'll implement, they wanted to make it into a policy by these people only. So that is why determining objectives and also framing plans and policies. Who has to frame the plans and policies? By themselves only. And in the same way, assigning jobs to middle level management. Next, what to do? How we have to manage the organization? So they are going to assign to the middle level management, right? We know this, we have discussed already, okay? Assigning job to the middle management and controlling departments. Controlling departments. In middle level, you will find departments, as I told you, production department, management, HR department, marketing department, and finance department, or you can say material department, like different sales department, different types of departments are there. So controlling these departments is also one of the function of the top management. They have to control these departments, right? And in the same way, arranging resources. Arranging resources. What are the resources? We have discussed in the last class. Men, material and machine, and also the resources whatever is required for the company. So all these things, all the resources, they have to utilize it properly. Are they utilizing properly or not? Okay. Men, material, money, and also other resources, that has to be arranging by the management only. How many employees are required? Deciding. How much money, capital is required? They'll be deciding. Machinery, how much is required? So like all these things are arranging by the top management only. They'll decide it first. Then in the same way, providing overall leadership. Overall leadership are having command, taking the final decisions by the top management only. So these are the main functions of the top management. They need to have a much command and overall understanding about the organization activities with the help of middle management. Simply they won't be having all the information, all the guidance, all the problems which are getting by the middle management, which are getting from the middle management. So there should be a proper coordination between top management and middle management. Next, when we talk about middle management, as I told you, department wise heads, we call them as middle management. So now coming to the middle level management, who are the middle level managements? One is production manager, operations manager, marketing manager, regional manager, finance manager, human resource manager, HRM. Okay. So these people, we call them as middle level management. And what are the functions? What do they do? How do they control that department? Department wise, na, these people, middle management. So how do they control? Main functions, if you focus, interpretation of policies of top management. Who have framed the policies? Top management. And who has to implement it? Middle management. So what they do the interpretation. They give the interpretation to the lower level management and also employees that these are the policies framed by the top management. We are going to implement it, and implementation policies like this. everything they are going to take care of this. That is why we say it as interpretation of policies of top management. And next one, organizing activities of department. Their department point of view, they have to manage the organizing activities. For example, production department. What is the work of production department? Produce the products. Production process. Process also different level process will be there. Process 1, process 2, process 3, all these things we have learned in cost accounting. Okay. So this is the main important duty of the production manager to handle the production activities. If you see the sales manager, what is his duty? Sales has to be optimized. Increase the sales to the maximum level. How to increase that? Related to that, he has to focus. That's we say it as a organizing activities of that department. You are responsible for your department. You take care of it. In the same way, selecting employees of that particular department. HR department is there. So they are going to recruit all the employees. But along with the HR department, production department wants some employees. Production department will select the employees through the help of HR department. Selecting proper employees. Sales, how do we sell it? Regional sales manager and department sales manager, area wise sales manager, like all recruitments can be done by the departments only. So that we say it as selecting employees of that department and motivating employees. Motivating employees. Which employees? Next level, lower level management. They are supposed to motivate these people only. These people are handling the main important aspect, important root level employees, that is all the employees. So that is why they want to motivate the employees, that is motivating the employees, giving them incentives, recognizing awards, rewards, bonus, any extra fringe benefits like giving car or otherwise flat or accommodation, any kind of benefits. That comes under the motivating employees. And in the same way, instructing and controlling employees. Instructing and controlling the employees. So what is to be done, what is not to be done, where we have to be careful and how to proceed it, all these things they have to give the instructions and also controlling the employees. This is in the hands of the heads of the departments. Heads of the department means nothing but middle level management. Okay, and next one, cooperating with other departments. All these are departments. They should have a good cooperation. They should have a good understanding. Then only it is possible to run the organization towards the profit or to achieve their goals. So what they have to do? Cooperating with other departments. If other department wants some help, or if he wants any information or help from other departments, he has to have a good coordination, good interaction with other departments, that he has to maintain it. In the same way, implementing policies. Who's framing the policies? Top level management. Okay. So top level management already framed the policy. Who has to implement it? Middle level management. So this is the duty of the middle level management to implement policies. Last function is that laid on rules and regulations. Rules and regulations related to their department, not to the organization. Entire organization rules and regulations, top management. Related to the department, this is their duty. My production department is there. My materials department is there. And my sales department is, I'll take care of that department. I can frame the rules and regulations of that particular department. This is also duty of the middle level management. On the whole, what did you understand? Middle level management is to take care of their department. There should not be any kind of problem. There should not be any kind of delay. Harmony has to be maintained. It should go smoothly. That is the main important object of any mid-level management. Third level, next, it comes to lower or operational level management. Under this management, the rest of the employees, laborers, employees, regular employees, all the employees will be under these people only. Who are these operational or lower level management? Supervisors, superintendents, sectional officers, inspectors, and also you can say foreman, means department wise. So these people, they are going to handle the root level employees. These people will identify any major problem in the organization. When they find any kind of problem, these people are going to get. And these people, they have to solve it at their level only. If they cannot solve it, then they have to bring this problem to the middle level management. Now what are the functions of this lower level management? Main thing is that addressing problems, grievances of employees. He has to address all the problems, what are the grievances, they are finding it. So that is to be bringing into the knowledge, that has to be addressed by the third level employees to the employees. At this level only they have to solve. If they cannot solve, then they can go to the middle management. And next thing is that maintaining good working conditions. How the organization is going to work well, either in the machinery point of view or the employees work point of view, from any level, important thing is that the things are going smoothly or not. That is important. That is why maintaining good working conditions, either machinery or employees, it has to work in a condition without any demoralizing, without any obstruction. And recruitment and selection of employees. Recruitment and selection of employees at third level. Suppose they want some employees who has to work in the production department at level 1, level 2, whatever may be. So it is their duty to select the employees. It is their duty to select the employees and taking feedback from the employees. And if employees are happy, then organization will be happy. So taking the feedback of the employees is also one of the duty of the third level management. Feedback, once if they take, if the employees are happy, he'll be very comfortable. So taking the feedback and also maintaining quality of products. Proper quality of products he has to maintain. So that is also he has to be very careful. Whenever quality is down, automatically in the market the reputation will come down. When there is no reputation, automatically sales will come down. That is why he has to maintain the quality of the products. And also minimizing wastage. If wastage is minimized, cost will come down. When cost is come down, automatically sales is department. This everything is interrelated. We have already discussed it. Okay. So minimizing wastage is also one of the important function of the third level management. And motivating workers. Workers are under the control of the third level management. He has to take care of the workers, motivating them, giving them proper salary and without any delay, giving them bonus or awards, rewards and any kind of incentives, that everything he has to take care of the workers. That's all. So first take a screenshot or note down. Hope it is very clear for you. Levels of management. If you follow this class, immediately take out your textbook and read it. You'll never forget this topic. And see you in the next class with another interesting topic. Till that period, keep learning, keep practicing. By the way, don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.